To add Venmo on PS5, start by ensuring your console is connected to the internet and you have a Venmo account. If you do not have a Venmo account, you can create one by downloading the Venmo app on your mobile device or by visiting the Venmo website. First, go to the PlayStation Store on your PS5 and search for the PlayStation Store wallet. Select the wallet option and then click on Payment Methods. From here, you will see a list of available payment methods, including credit cards, PayPal, and other options. Click on Add New Payment Method and then select Venmo from the list of available payment options. You will be redirected to the Venmo website where you will need to sign in to your Venmo account. Enter your Venmo login credentials and authorize the connection between your Venmo account and your PS5. Once you have authorized the connection, you will be redirected back to the PlayStation Store. Your Venmo account should now be listed as a payment method. To confirm, go back to the Wallet section and select Payment Methods. Your Venmo account should be listed here, and you can now use it to make purchases on the PlayStation Store. When using Venmo as a payment method on your PS5, make sure to keep your account information up to date and secure. Regularly review your account activity and transaction history to ensure everything is accurate and secure. It is also important to note that using Venmo as a payment method on your PS5 may have some limitations and restrictions. For example, you may not be able to use Venmo to purchase certain types of content, such as subscriptions or pre-orders. Be sure to review the terms and conditions of using Venmo on your PS5 before making any purchases. By following these steps, you can easily add Venmo as a payment method on your PS5 and start making purchases using your Venmo account. Remember to always keep your account information secure and up to date to ensure a safe and seamless transaction experience.